Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Imagine a natural disaster or power outage. You want to be ready. If there is ever a prepper's paradise, it is Home Depot. We're diving into Home Depot's aisles to uncover 15 must-have items for every prepper's shopping list. From essential tools to often overlooked supplies, these items could be the difference between a minor inconvenience and a major crisis. Let's get started. First up, we're hitting the lighting aisle. When the power goes out, you don't want to be stumbling around in the dark. Reliable lighting is non-negotiable. Grab some portable floodlights, lifesavers during power outages. Next, solar-powered lights for both indoor and outdoor use. They charge during the day and are ready at night, plus they're environmentally friendly. Don't forget extra batteries. A stockpile ensures your lights stay powered. Be prepared. Let's move on to building materials. These are the backbone of any solid preparation plan. Having basic supplies on hand can be incredibly useful in a pinch. Whether you're facing a natural disaster or an unexpected emergency, these materials can make all the difference. Plywood, versatile for boarding up windows, creating partitions, or building a shelter. It's lightweight yet strong, making it an essential item for any prepper. Next, grab some bricks, durable and fire-resistant, ideal for makeshift stoves or fireplaces. Bricks can also be used to create barriers or reinforce structures. Cooking food or boiling water is essential. Having the right materials can ensure you can prepare meals safely and efficiently. Screws, nails, and a good quality hammer. These small items are crucial for building and repairing structures. These are essential for any construction or repair project. From fixing a broken door to building a new shelter, having these tools on hand is a must. A well-stocked toolbox can save you time and effort when it matters most. Make sure you have everything you need to tackle any challenge that comes your way. Outdoor tools that can pull double duty. These tools are not just for one specific task. They can be incredibly versatile and useful in a variety of situations. On the list, a good quality snow shovel. While it's primarily designed for clearing snow, it can be used for so much more. Even in warm climates, it's versatile for clearing debris, digging trenches, or even leveling soil in your garden. Its sturdy design makes it a must-have for any outdoor toolkit. Next up, a chainsaw, essential for clearing fallen trees or cutting firewood. Whether you're dealing with storm damage or just preparing for winter, a chainsaw can save you a lot of time and effort. Make sure you know how to use it safely and have proper safety gear. Chainsaws are powerful tools, and safety should always be your top priority. Always wear protective gloves, goggles, and ear protection. A good axe and sturdy work gloves. An axe is another versatile tool that can handle a variety of tasks. An axe can be used for chopping wood, hammering in stakes, or even splitting logs. Its multifunctional nature makes it indispensable for outdoor work. Work gloves will protect your hands from blisters, cuts, and other injuries. They are essential for any kind of manual labor, providing both comfort and safety. Always keep a pair handy. Fire safety. It's crucial to be well prepared and informed to protect your home and loved ones. You need to be prepared to handle small fires yourself. A fire extinguisher can be your first line of defense in such situations. First and foremost, fire extinguishers. Have at least one on each floor. Make sure everyone in the household knows how to use them properly. Next up, smoke detectors. Your first line of defense against a fire. These devices can alert you to danger before it becomes unmanageable. Make sure you have working smoke detectors on every level of your home. Test them regularly to ensure they are functioning correctly. A fire escape ladder if you live in a multi-story home. This simple tool can be a lifesaver in an emergency. This will give you a safe way to evacuate from an upper floor. Practice using it with your family so everyone knows what to do. Let's move on to heating, ventilation, and cooling. Extreme temperatures can be just as dangerous as any other natural disaster. A dehumidifier, essential for removing excess moisture and preventing mold. Next, grab some air conditioner covers. They help insulate your home and protect your AC. Weather stripping and caulk, these are simple ways to seal up cracks and gaps, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Earthquakes. If you live in an earthquake-prone area, you know these events can be sudden and destructive. Hold putty. Secure your valuables to prevent them from falling. Next, grab some furniture safety straps. Anchor heavy furniture to the wall. A whistle. If you're trapped under debris, a whistle can help rescuers locate you. Food security in a long-term emergency relying solely on stored food might not be enough. First on the list, gardening tools, shovel, rake, and trowel for planting and weeding. Next up, fertilizer provides essential nutrients to your plants. Don't forget about seeds. Choose a variety of seeds for fruits, vegetables, and herbs. Store them in a cool, dry place to ensure their viability. Grow your own food to stay self-sufficient. Security is a major concern during any emergency. One of the most effective ways to deter crime is by installing security cameras. They act as a deterrent and provide video evidence if something happens. Choose from wired or wireless cameras, depending on your needs. Invest in cameras with night vision capabilities. This allows you to monitor your property even in low-light conditions. Plumbing issues can quickly escalate in an emergency. First up, extra pipes. Having a few lengths of PVC pipe and fittings can be a lifesaver. Next, grab a drain weasel, effective for clearing clogs from sinks, showers, and bathtubs. Don't forget about faucet protectors can help prevent your outdoor faucets from freezing and bursting in cold weather. These home appliances. In a grid-down situation, your access to electricity might be limited. First up, a mini fridge, great for storing essential medications and perishable food items. Next, consider an extra freezer. Stock up on frozen food items that will last for months. Don't forget about a manual can opener. You don't want to be stuck with a can of food and no way to open it. Power. In a grid-down situation, access to electricity is limited. First on the list, batteries, variety of sizes for different devices. Next up, a solar generator. Harness the power of the sun for clean, renewable energy. Don't forget about a power inverter for your car. This device converts your car's DC power into AC power for small appliances. Stay powered up. Cleanliness. Maintaining hygiene is crucial. Contractor bags, essential for garbage disposal and storing supplies. Next, grab a multi-surface cleaner, effective against a wide range of germs and bacteria. Hand sanitizer. Keep a bottle in your emergency kit, your car, and at home. Stay clean and healthy. Pest control. Pests can quickly become a major problem. Rat traps control rodent populations. Next, grab some insecticide, effective against a wide range of insects, sealing up any cracks or holes in your home's exterior. This will help prevent pests from entering. Keep your home pest-free. Spray paint. Spray paint can be a surprisingly versatile tool in a grid-down situation. Camouflage. Use it to blend in with your surroundings. Next, marking and signaling. Use bright colors to attract attention. Use black spray paint, reducing visibility from the outside. Stay discreet and safe. Personal protection. It's important to have the right gear. Face masks. Protect yourself from dust, debris, and airborne pathogens. Next, grab a high-visibility vest. Make yourself more visible to traffic and rescuers. Gloves, safety glasses, and earplugs. Gloves protect your hands from cuts and blisters. Safety glasses protect your eyes from flying debris. Earplugs protect your hearing from loud noises. These items can significantly upgrade your prepping pantry. Don't wait until it's too late. Start prepping now. Stay safe and prepared.